Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh. What's up guys, welcome back to another video. Thank you so much for tuning into today's episode. I have an awesome video in store for you today. We are going to be talking about a shoe that is an absolute grail for me. I have been waiting to get this shoe in my collection for a very, very long time. So today we are going to be talking about reviewing and unboxing the Nike Air Fear of God shoot-arounds. This collection is so hype right now. Everybody wants this stuff. It's selling out instantly, and the resale on some of these pieces is absolutely crazy. So I was able to get these at a pretty good price, but we'll dive into that in a little bit more detail later. So in order to properly review these shoes and to do you all justice, we are going to be doing a couple of different things in this video. We're going to unbox them, we're going to do an overview of the shoe, and I'm going to show you a quick lookbook of how you could style this sneaker. Give you a little bit of outfit inspiration, so to speak. All right, so let's jump into the unboxing. I've got a second camera angle right down here so you guys can see it a little bit more up close and personal. Jumping right into the unboxing, first of all, you're greeted with this very nice bright orange Nike and Fear of God box. And there's a lot of subtle branding kind of across the box. You can't really see it unless you're in the right light, but there's almost like this 3M clear kind of lettering across the top, on the sides and on the other sides as well, that say Fear of God, Nike Air Fear of God. There's the swoosh check mark, stuff like that. Very subtle branding. You wouldn't really know what this is if you just saw the box. All right, so let's pull this top off real quick. Oh, the box farted. It wasn't me, the box farted. Now the first thing that we get after opening the box is the GOAT card of authenticity. This certifies that the shoes have been verified authentic by one of the representatives at the GOAT team. So it's just a nice little touch to say, hey, we checked on these shoes for you, they look good to us. Next you have this little reflective bag that says Air Fear of God on it. Nike check mark on the other side. This actually contains extra lace locks, and it contains that like clear Nike tag that says Air Fear of God on it. I haven't opened this yet. I probably won't open it unless I have to, just because I want to keep the contents inside dead stock, just in case I might want to resell it later. But just a really cool feature, a little bit of extra fun stuff for you. And then lastly, before we get into the shoes, you get this really sick dust bag that says Air Fear of God on it. It's almost this black, super thick mesh material. You could actually even use this as a duffel bag if you wanted to. It's rather large, but that comes folded on the top as well, so you can carry your sneakers in it to and from the court, so you don't have to wear them on the concrete. I'm guessing that's what this was essentially intended for. Now diving into the best part, each shoe is gonna come wrapped in that same reflective bag paper kind of material, just like this. Super space boot, like futuristic type shit. This stuff looks really awesome. Let's go ahead and pull this one out. Look at that. Wow. All right, now the best part, getting into the shoe. The silhouette, the design, everything about the shoe is absolutely unreal, and the quality on these things is something that I have actually not seen from Nike in a very long time. The entire upper of the shoe is comprised of this super soft leather material. You've got 3M around the edge of the toe box, which is reflective, and then a reflective 3M Nike swoosh on the front of the toe box as well. You have this super unique design around the sole of the shoe. This is very reminiscent of the Fear of God military sneakers in my opinion. It looks a lot like that, just more in an athletic version. Then you have this super unique Nike air bubble down here, which has never been done this way before. This is something that Jerry helped Nike make in order to suit this shoe a little bit more aesthetically, and it looks absolutely killer. You've got the reflective Nike check swoosh that goes on both sides of the sneaker. zipper on the back, strap around the front, and then the lacing system with the lace locks. Now there's a lot going on with this shoe. Now the lacing system on the shoe is pretty simple. You pretty much just slip your foot in, zip up the back, lock the strap in, loop the laces around the top of your ankle, and then tie it with the lace locks. Now you can do it that way, that's the easiest way in my opinion, but I've also seen other ways of doing it, like where people actually tie a bow with it, and it gives you that similar look to the Air Fear of God ones, where you actually tie the shoe instead of just having the laces hanging, but that's up to you and your preference. It almost feels like you're wearing Boost. For some reason, it's super soft, it's super bouncy whenever you're walking in it. It just feels like a really, really comfortable shoe. I could wear this all day long and not get uncomfortable in it because it's so soft and it's such an easy ride for your feet. Now the one gripe I have with the shoe is that they get a little bit hot, and that's simply because it's all leather. The light bone color is an all leather upper, whereas the black version has mesh throughout the top, so it's a little bit more breathable than this one is, but I thought the bone color looked a little bit more sick. So it's something I'm willing to deal with because these shoes look so awesome. I don't really care that much. Sensitive to having hot, sweaty feet, that might bother you a little bit. The main reason I decided to go with the shoot-arounds instead of the Nike Air Fear of God ones was because the shoot-arounds are reselling for less, and they're so similar to the regular ones that I thought, why not save a little bit of cash? Now I believe when these shoes retailed, the shoot-arounds were going for around $300, and then the Nike Air Fear of God ones were going for around $350. But now that they are off the market, the Air Fear of God ones are reselling for like $700, $800, $900, $1,000, and the shoot-arounds are reselling for around $450, $500, maybe less than $400 depending on your size. I figured why not save some cash, get the exact same look and aesthetic as the regular Nike Fear of God ones for less price. You're literally getting the same comfort, the same silhouette, the same design as the regular ones, but you're saving a lot of money, and these still look really, really sick. So if you're looking to get some of the Nike Fear of God pieces or some of the shoes, I would definitely recommend the shoot-arounds simply because they're a little bit cheaper. They look very similar to the normal Nike Air Fear of God ones, and they're way, way cheaper. That's the main thing here. They look the same, they're the same design, but they're cheaper. All right, now let's show you guys what these shoes look like on feet. Alright guys, what did you think of the outfits? Did you like them? Did you think I could do a little bit better? Let me know in the comment section down below your thoughts. Otherwise, I think this is a really awesome shoe if you're looking to purchase it. They're super sick, they're comfortable, they're really awesome all around, and they'll give you that Nike Fear of God look that you're looking for a pretty reasonable price overall. Alright guys, before we close out today's video, I want to give a tremendous, humongous shout out to today's video sponsor, Rose Gold and Black. Rose Gold and Black is one of my favorite jewelry companies, and they literally help me take my style game to the next level. Their pieces are simple, subtle, clean, and they add such an awesome element to your outfit that it literally kicks your style game up to the next level without that much effort at all. And not only that, all their pieces on their website are at an extremely discounted price right now because they are doing their birthday sale. So click on the link in the description, head over to rosegoldandblack.com. Right now they're doing free worldwide shipping, which they never do, so you'll definitely want to take advantage of that. So go get yourself some of the most awesome jewelry on the market, and don't forget to let them know who sent you. All right, guys, and that wraps it up for today's video. If you liked the video, give it a big fat thumbs up down below. Drop your comments in the comment section. Let me know what videos you'd like to see next, and I will do my best to make those for you. If you have not already, join the freaking crew. Hit the subscribe button down below. Turn on your post notifications so that you can see when I post a video next. And I will see you guys next week. I'm out.
Nacho, 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 nacho.